Alright, this is just an audio test. I'm actually still outside, and it's really windy. I've got the external headset plugged in at this moment, so I'm not going to move anything, not move the camera. I'm just going to pull out the headphone jack, and we'll see what happens, and see if that's any worse there now. Yeah, so just make a test to see what happens. Quickly plug it back in. Right, I've just quickly plugged it back in just to see if that does make any difference or not. Okay, so that test was good. I'm still plugged in actually, but that's what we use, just the standard headphones that came with the phone there. This is actually my old phone, so I'm not even sure why it's set at, but it's just an audio test more than anything. So yeah, that was just stuffed inside my jacket, away from the wind. So there we go, problem solved. Let's do that in future. Right, catch you next time.